Got her fresh on the trailer. Taking her home needs lots and lots of work. Here we go though. Got the Porsche and we're headed home. Hey guys, it's Caleb. It's late after work tonight, but I wanted to come on here real quick. Hopefully you've seen the short clip before as I edit this in, but I just bought my first Porsche, and it's a 1985 Porsche 944. So the following clips you're gonna see are me just randomly looking at the car, getting to know it a little bit, going through trying to diagnose it myself, as this is a learning experience. I've never owned a German car. I've never even worked on cars before except for a 99 Honda Accord, and things weren't really that bad. This car has not started for, well, 3 years at a minimum from the last owner that I talked to, where you saw that I was getting it from, cranking it, trying to get it onto the trailer. But yeah, so let's hop right into it. This is a journey. Eventually I'll be doing how-to videos, but keep following along for this journey. I've posted a lot of shorts so far, so definitely go check those out. Let's hop into it. Okay, got the battery put back in, put it on the trickle charger overnight. And I know that something is drawing the power. I just made a little short video on it. That glove box light keeps turning on, but let's go and start it up. It's got at least somewhat of enough volts. Oil pressure's low. Fuel might be empty. We need to see. And then, oh yeah, okay. That might be what it is. But let's go ahead and walk around to the fuel door. And I had it open last night. Might need to go see about getting some fuel for it. Fresh fuel. And it smells like there's fuel in it. At least fresh fuel anyway. It doesn't smell bad. But I don't have a siphon tool to be able to know. We are gonna try and put that air filter thing in and figure out what is up with this hose, since I've never worked on one of these before, and whatever all this crap is that they've done. Actually, this hose might go here, but I don't know how it would lead to it. Yeah, so we'll look at that. I'm not even entirely sure what. That might be for the... Yeah, I don't even know what it'd be for. Don't ask me. But, yeah, I mean, we've got that whole box missing. That's right over there. But then the clutch is also stuck to the floor. So, you know, we've got a couple things to figure out. I do want to get it out of the garage and cleaned up. But for the start off, let's go ahead and close that up and go from there. Well, we figured out how to get the roof off, so that's nice. I just want to kind of see what it looks like without it. So that's actually not that heavy. That looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and hop in. Okay, we're driving. We're good. I'm just kidding. But no, that's awesome. Being able to take the roof off. I haven't had a sunroof in, well, 2 years in my terrain. Okay, that's cool. Let's put it back on. So I got the whole thing apart. It took about a minute. This gasket is broken. It feels like a piece of paper though. It's not. A little bit of plastic. But we're just going to try and get it going, the Porsche. So we'll go ahead and put this back for now and see what we can do. Eventually we will replace it. Okay, I didn't video the whole process, but finally got the license plate cover off. The screw was stripped. But anyway, that's fresh from 1985, it looks like. I took off these little, I think they're little rubber pieces. Yeah. And had to screw it out because the screw was stripped. Anyway, got that off. Kind of got a little sidetracked from the main purpose up there. But we're gonna have to get some parts for up front. So did a little bit of looking around here. Brake reservoir, I figured out that's what that is. Need a new one, not cheap. I looked on carparts.com and it's like $233, and then you got to pay for shipping and stuff. I need to do an oil change. Like, this looks terrible. It looks like there's no oil in it, to be honest with you. There we go. Yeah, I can't even see in there. I do have a flashlight. I'll look at it at another point. And then I've never performed an oil change on a Porsche 944, so we'll do that. And the oil filter is right there, so I don't think that's going to be fun. We'll see. Unless there's just no oil in it. There could be another reason why it's not turning over. Because I also disconnect the battery again just to keep it going. It will like tick, 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 try. I will need to get a socket set for the spark plugs, as the sockets that I do have isn't long enough to get down in there. So just a couple things. Again, there's all these different wires and whatnot that are disconnected. There's a couple wires down here that'll figure out what those are and kind of go from there. See about that. I do need to look at a slave cylinder and master cylinder, but that could also be the problem for my clutch sucking to the floor. As you can see, watch this. Just tap and it sucks right down. You're supposed to have to press a whole foot to keep it down. Anyway, that's what we leave off for now.